Hello everyone, my name is Nancy. I'm here to recite a poem, If I Were the Principal, by anonymous author. If I were the principal, boy, things would change. Our school would be fun, if a little bit strange. We keep kangaroos in the classrooms as pets. We travel to Europe and learn to fly jets. We get to make movies and all become stars. For field trip, we blast off from Rockies to Mars. We learn to race monsters and build time machines. We surf on tsunamis in big submarines. We learn to make robots with nuclear discs and dig up a dinosaur's fossils remains. We battle with pirates and plunder their gold. We deal with dragons for treasures untold. We practice on potions and magical spells to stick out the square with sickening smells, to make us invisible, 80 feet tall, or turn into liquid, or walk through a wall. Yes, if I were the principal, that's what we do. We lock evil scientists up in the zoo, while vanquishing villains and capturing crooks. In other words,